What up, Luke Gang? Sorry that the content's lacking. I'm moving right now, so it's kind of hard to record stuff. But the boys back at home got some bike checks for y'all, and I'm gonna roll them. Peace.
Okay, restart.
Ugh, I got shit in my...
No, one cut. Let's go.
Alright, one cut. Alright, welcome to Team Loop Out's... Cut. Welcome to Team Loop Out's bike check. I'm gonna be going first because I'm the best rider.
Suicide bike.
It's this bike, 2007 Miraco, also known as the Suicide bike, but that makes it cooler than everyone else's. Anyway, parts. We the Shadow Grips.
Shadow Maya.
I just got, Yeah, for sure. Shadow Maya grips. Off-brand bars.
Mission.
Team Loop sticker because Team L gotta represent. A G-Shock for telling the time. Front load with a stripped out bolt.
So bad.
What brand is it, huh?
Snafu front load. Snafu gyro that works really, really good. No problems at all.
You broke your gyro cable like 2 weeks ago.
Not really. Odyssey stopping lever, brake lever. Odyssey brake lever works. This brake lever is a tank, bro. I really like it. All right. Seat. I don't know where this seat came from, but it's really good. The guy before me sat on it too.
No, I think my seat's better.
Wow, he sat on it too.
Hand over to the horror for a second. Show him my seat. My
20
seat's a lot better.
Nah, his seat.
That seat's a lot better than that one.
Anyway. This frame, David. This frame, 20.75 top tube. Works really good. It's like, like this. Okay.
Okay.
Tires, Sabrosa tires work really good. I'm running them into the ground. They used to have tread, but not anymore.
Street diggers.
Yeah, Street Diggers. Pedals, Colt DAC pedals. Really good. They're really good at being durable when you're grinding. Snafu race cranks because I don't need normal cranks.
You have a mental illness?
Not really. Shadow hub, not the original hub because I broke the original hub. The original hub was a Snafu, and then this one is a Shadow hub. It's really loud. Cassette gang, of course. And then We the People sprocket, KMC chain, fly bikes, rear brake setup, and gyro. Really stripped bolts, axles. Okay, this side. LL Cool pegs from Rant. Miraco fork. Limited edition camo tires because
Rims.
rims. Okay,
so you
also. Bike
yeah, you
is
can't see 'em,
limited
yeah, you
edition.
can't
There's only 250 of these bikes in the world, and I have number 129. It says right here. Zoom in, David. Zoom in to where it says 129.
I'll have to grab the phone. Do it.
Where'd it go? Ow! I knew you were gonna do that. There it is. 2007, 129. And that's pretty good. It's a good bike. It goes like this.
What is your sequence?
My seat clamp is a Haro 78.
This is the longest damn bike check I've ever seen.
Bike checks are like long because
Yeah, you gotta go through every part.
Hey, what are your
Alright,
bars?
that's a cut.
Alright, so I'm gonna start from the ground
Bernardo,
up.
just don't be cringy.
Oh, I'm fine. Odyssey Path Pros stuck onto a Sunday Lightning rim, laced to a Sunday hub. I don't know.
And a feather.
Oh yeah, feather. Very important. Without it, knocks off my manuals.
Exactly.
Jet nylon peg and a Haro lineage peg.
He has a stripped bolt
Yeah,
right here,
stripped
so he
front
can't
bolt.
take that peg off.
Stock fork. Sunday.
What's your bike?
Freeze V2 top load.
What's your bike?
You'll get off my
I'll get to that.
I want to sit on the table.
Ink BMX
not my
bars.
table, man.
XL ODI long necks because you gotta get the grips down here for catching bar spins.
David is just
Different barns on the sides. I don't know. The frame is a Sunday Forecaster.
Hey, can we bike
Sprocket,
check the palm tree?
Haro
For sure.
7825T. Pedals. Odyssey Twisted PC Pros.
Ants.
Best pedals. Oh yeah, ants. Cranks. I don't know, Sunday cranks.
Sunday cranks.
Oh
Bro, where'd his frame
Same back
sticker
setup
go?
as the
Where'd your
front.
frame sticker go?
yeah, I don't have. Took off the frame. So fuck that.
What about your seat post clamp?
Oh yeah, seat clamp Sunday seat post. I brought it down.
Rawled?
This is just a Odyssey seat.
Pivotal?
No, not pivotal.
Bruh.
Odyssey clutch V2 rear hub. What? Oh yeah. See, you gotta get that electrical tape for the broken spoke. This happens. What can I say? Haro lineage pegs on the back, and
Dude,
yeah.
You just take the feather out?
Bars.
That was the most important part.
Talk about your freaking top tube link, your bar.
Oh yeah, my top tube
height.
20.5, nice and snappy. What can I say? 13.25 chainstay rear end. Very quick for the lengths.
I don't know my chain stay.
Head tube angle is 75.5 for
Bar
those,
height, bar
nose
height.
manuals. Oh yeah, my bar height is 9.5.
And,
oh yeah,
and bar
Colt-
length, bar
Colt
length.
pad set. Oh,
Bar
I
length.
cut the bars a little bit down too short, but it's fine. It's okay. It's okay. So best bike.
What
in
is this
the
part?
T-
What is
Loop
that?
Gang. Headset.
Bruh.
I don't know what headset this is. It says FSA. I don't know what that is.
For sure. Who's next?
I don't know, but I
Actual
bet my frame
warning.
is.
Yeah, he bent his frame. His frame is bent.
It's okay. Just don't worry about it. I'll ride it.
For sure.
Getting a new rim suit.
Not really.
Yeah,
Have you
yeah.
seen
David just
David's-
filming like.
David trash film.
You probably can't even like see half the
Let me
stuff
record
before
now.
I bet he was like
Y'all
Amy. Oh, am I saying it?
Yeah.
Whoever's doing it. I thought you were both doing it.
He knows more about the bike than I do.
All right, so. What the fuck?
Sprocket.
Yeah. What brand is this Sprocket?
Oh.
No, I'm pretty sure it's a. What's
The
Okay,
brand
the
is
grips.
purple.
Odyssey,
The brand is purple.
Odyssey grips?
Odyssey keyboard grips. Very good. Haro top load. These bars were on
You
my
can see
bike.
marks
So
where I beat the bar
Yeah.
end.
Team
in
Loop
with the
sticker.
hammer.
yes. Entire front end is Haro. The tire, I don't know what brand.
Tire found under her bridge.
Yeah.
Custom?
Haro. One piece cranks.
Custom frame stickers.
It was a Haro seat, but duo tire in the rear, pretty thin, lightweight,
Yeah,
very
no,
lightweight. Rant, full rear rim, hub, spokes, whatever. Pedals,
Those are Haro pedals.
yeah, these are Haro metal
half
pedals.
inch Haros.
And
25T.
oh yeah, 25T.
This thing, how much does this bike weigh?
30.
How much does it weigh?
30.
Bruh. Now you gotta tell the story of the bike.
It's quite the heavy tank, you know.
Tell the story of the bike.
Let's see here. Manufactured in 2002.
Really?
Flown out to Walmart down the road in 2002. Very specific. Original owner,
how it was
unknown,
Found under
it's-
the bridge.
Oh,
Rico.
man found under bridge. My neighbor. Neighbor give bike to me. Bike ride. Bike go. Wow. Yeah. Anyways, bike.
Bike? Alright, bet.
Alright, bet.
See his face.
Alright, David, let's see.
Okay, let's just start. I just have a GT.
Can y'all move y'all's bikes so there's all in the background?
I just got the GT, the stock 20.
Get the frame sticker out.
I like to have the frame sticker there just to annoy Bernard.
You look like a child. Man,
stock
child.
2019 GT Performer, 20.5 inch top tube.
Why are your tires so small?
I had to get new tires because I
4-piece bar.
my other one. It's a 2.0. It's pretty small. It's not what I want,
that way,
but
Reed.
I'm not sneezing.
it was just the cheapest,
That way, no,
cheapest
David
tires.
What else you got? What is the seat?
The seat. We got
Tell the story of the seat.
The stock GT seat.
Now, what happens to the seat?
Every day, Bernardo, he gets an ice cube or two and puts them in my pivotal.
Let's see.
It's tactile.
Oh, it's cold. Not
It's nice
really.
and cold every day in there. It keeps me nice
What
and
else?
cool.
What else?
I let Renato clean my bike every day. I'm pretty sure I need new grips. These are completely ungrippy and slick, and they're really dirty right now.
Yeah, they are.
I got it. This is my second
Yeah,
chain.
they are.
This is my second chain.
Wow, you must be quite the rider, huh? Second chain? Wow.
I need new grips.
Inspirational.
My bars are.
What about your bar length? What at your bar angle?
My bar angle? I don't even know.
Big, chunky.
And got the rear brake.
Rear brake for sure. What kind of brake tricks can you do?
I don't have any brake tricks right now.
I call it lever pole.
Stopper lever.
It's just basically stock.
What about the freaking color of the hubs?
Diarrhea poop color.
Bruh.
And that's it. That's my bike. Daily rider.
Life lives